The Binance Launchpad is at it again, and I thought I wanted to share. So in case you got some BUSD, some dots, or just some BNB lying around, well then why not participate in this new launch? So who is launching? What is launching? Well, it is Automata Network, ATA. Now this is a new coin, never been listed before, and it is starting on Binance. Now there are a few good things that I would like to mention. First of all, everything that starts on Binance has a certain, I would say, credibility, legitimacy, but I also think that this coin has some it's a special coin. So I wanted to share it. I mean, you can yourself go through what Automata is. I mean, it is so new that it is hard to, really understand what the future potential is. But very briefly, it is basically a decentralized service protocol that provides a privacy middleware layer for decentralized applications across multiple blockchains. So I guess when you hear multiple blockchains and you can stake dots and BUSD and BNB, then you probably already know that this has something to do with the Polkadot ecosystem. And that alone probably is going to add some value. I wanted to make this a short video. I just wanted to show you how and where you can do it. So in case you got yourself an account on Binance, well then you can simply go into the Earn and Launchpad, and then you can stake. You can go into the BNB pool, you can go into the dot pool, and you can go into the BUSD pool. However, I mean, this is all, and it's and I love everything that Binance does because it is straightforward, it's simple, and it always works. Now, the only thing that I am gonna maybe warn you about is that you can see that the amounts here are quite high. So you can see already 11 million BNB tokens staked. You can see in dots already 37 million, but I mean, I don't know, is it billion? No, million tokens. And, no, I'm sorry, 37,900, I don't know, billion. But what I do know here from BUSD, it is almost 2 billion. And that's a lot. So if you just take that into consideration, everyone is going to get something. But as you can see here over the total rewards, they are 40 million. So basically what you can see all this money divided through 40 million, and then you would come to a number which ultimately probably is not going to be that much, but then you can calculate. So I guess your next question would be, well, what price are they going to launch? And that's obviously something nobody knows, but there is a small clue, I would say, of indication of what it could launch at. You see, so even though it's a very, very new coin, it's always good to go in and have a look at the research report. And, you can read it yourself. It's all on Binance. I also have no idea if this is going to be a big success. I can say that we are, the dots and the BUSD we have allocated them, and then let's see, it's going to go live in 2 days and a few hours. But I wanted to take you through this research report because first of all, you can see they started basically this year in March and selected into Berkeley Blockchain Acceleration 2021 cohort, and then they only raised 1 million. And then they were mentioned on Bloomberg as a privacy-focused solution designed to thwart frontrunners in the crypto trading ecosystem. But I think this is important. They were presented on main stage of Polkadot Decoded 2021. And then they raised another 2.4 million. So it's not a lot of money. They got some good venture cap funds that invested in them. But here, if you go further down, then you can see that, this seed sale allocation and the amount, but you can see that the price was at the seed sale, it was like, 2 cents per token. Then at the strategic sale, it was 4 cents per token, and the strategic one was in May 21. So it's not very far back. So based on if you take now those 4 cents on the dollar, well, what can I say? I don't think it's going to go to $10, but you never know. You never know, right? So from a fairly new coin, probably with a lot of potential due to the fact that it's launching on Binance. Who knows? But I can only say that I have been staking since yesterday with around 100,000 BUSD, and I have gotten until now around 20 88 tokens. So let's see, 20 times whatever it's going to be, even if it's going to be $10, right? That would be 200, but I think probably not realistic. But I can also say that at the moment, I got a lot of stable coins in the right, in the left, and in the back pocket. So why not, instead of getting the stable coin returns, why not go in and get yourself some 88 tokens? And my plan is not to sell them just when they launch, but actually, in fact, keep them, and let's see where it's going to take us. Anyway, that was just a little update. Yeah. Remember, stay safe, stay home.